Say hello to my brand new airplane.
Wow!
With safety technology and more. One ticket equals $1 million.
I think let me check.
Pay now. Oh, money. Okay, you can go. Pay.
I forgot my ticket.
So you go, poor class. Come. I forgot. Add some stairs. So we must do some parkour.
Which class I am in?
Here. Wait, come.
Oh yes, I love watching blue screen.
There's your seat.
Bro, I give you $1 million.
Where? Oh, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're peppering for fly.
Can I be your co-pilot?
Yes,
I know how to fly, bro.
yes, my co-pilot. Attention, we are takeoff in 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm scared.
Autopilot. Oh no, something is on radar. Oh no, we are losing control. We must overpower the helicopter.
This is a traffic. What's your situation?
Helicopter trying steal our plane.
We are sending the help.
I think we lose that.
Okay. Is everything okay?
We lost wing. We must do an emergency landing.
Okay, LOL.
This is not funny.
Alright, we are getting closer to the island.
And stupid.
Okay, okay. Here we go.
We have received a signal, the crash of plane. Please evacuate all personnel in an airport. SOS.
Wow. Actually, I'm pro pilot. Only tiny little damage.